The Mango Tree, a short story. Once there were two brothers, Vasu and Amir. Vasu was clever while Amir was simple. One day they had a fight and decided to divide everything they possessed. After dividing everything, only a mango tree was left. Vasu said, "I will keep the upper half of the tree, while you keep the lower half of the tree." Amir did not suspect any foul play and agreed to what Vasu said and started taking care of the tree. He watered it every day and maneured it. But when the mangoes would ripen, Vasu would pluck them and enjoy eating them. Amir was very upset. He did not get even one mango. But one day a wise friend had an idea. He told Amir to cut his part of the tree. As he was cutting the tree, Vasu came there. He understood everything. He promised not to trouble Amir and live happily with him. Moral of the story is, never cheat others.